One of the most wonderful things about Christmas is getting to spend time with those that you love. So we are going to be hosting Christmas with some of my family at my house on Christmas Eve, and I wanted to do some things to make the house feel more festive. So we're going to transform a thrifted table into a really pretty tablescape. We're going to fill some stockings up for all the special people in my family, and we are going to be doing some cookies for the neighbors. So I really hope that you guys enjoy today's vlog and that this makes you even more excited for that really special day.
She waves at neighbors as they pass. She laughs as I sing jingle bells out of a marshmallow mustache. My little daughter came running up and sat on my knee. She said, Dad, I got it.
So I like this tablecloth, but I would really like it probably more in the summer or spring because it has these flowers here. I don't know, something about it, the design just looks very summer and springish. So I'm gonna go look and see if I have anything else.
Thought about it for a minute. Turned to Tony Bennett. Said, love, I think I know that they do. She was asking me how. As I twirled around, I said, Christmas brought me. Snow in the forecast.
I love it.
Stay in, so that's alright. Watch the flakes start to come down across the road under the street light.
After going back and forth with a couple of different choices for the tablecloth, I ended up ultimately sticking with this flowered one. It was the one that fit the best. So now I want to add some different decor pieces to the top. This is stuff that I have thrifted. The candles came from Dollar Tree, which is very affordable, $1.25 a piece. And I just really like how this turns out in the end. It's simple but cute.
On your mind, she said, I'm not sure if Christmas dreams come true. Thought about it for a minute. Turned to Tony Bennett. Said, love, I think I know that they do. She was asking me how. As I twirled around, I said, Christmas brought me you. She's smiling at me. She says, Dad, I gotta tell you something. Then tears fill her eyes as she tells me surprise and shows me your wedding ring. Think about it for a minute. Turn up to...
The table is all done, and truthfully, I wish that I had some really pretty cloth napkins and napkin rings, but I didn't find anything like that when I was thrifting. And I know at a lot of tablescapes that I see, you put like the silverware out and usually have like fancy wine glasses and stuff like that, but that is not who we are. We will end up using, to be completely honest, we will end up using paper napkins. I did get some pretty ones from Dollar Tree, but that's about as far as we're going. And then we just need a cup for like water and maybe some coffee or hot cocoa, and we are good to go. So it's okay if your tablescape ends up kind of simple compared to some of the fancy ones that you see online. That's what I'm kind of doing this year, and I'm really happy with that. I think it looks cute. Dining table in this room looks super pretty, and eventually I'm going to be able to show you guys all of this room probably in January, so be looking for that video. But anyways, I'm really excited about this, and I just think it looks amazing, and I thrifted these things for really cheap prices. So we're doing stockings for my mom, my dad. I'm doing one for Tommy, my husband, our dog Sammy, and our cat Namu. Here is some of the stuff that we've picked out for them. But we do it really simple. We don't do like a bunch of crazy expensive stuff. It's just really simple little things. So for Tommy, I got him this hand warmer. It's like a battery operated one. So I thought that'd be really nice when he was going like hunting and stuff. And then he loves coffee. So I just got him a coffee. Now this is going to be pretty big to fit in his stocking, so I may end up having to set that one next to the stocking on Christmas morning or something. And then he also loves spicy stuff, so I got him some sweet hot mustard. So this is for my mom. So we got her just some different sugar-free snacks. She likes to do sugar-free, so we got those for her. And then got her some Werthers that are sugar-free. We also found these vanilla wafer things. I thought those looked really good. And then we got her some hand wipes. Got her a body armor, the strawberry banana flavor. That one is really good. We also got her this candle. This thing actually smells really, really good. And it's just from Dollar Tree. And then we also grabbed her some pepperonis. She likes to stay lower sugar, so if you notice, we get her things that aren't loaded with sugar. She also loves like hand cream and stuff, so we got her this one. And then we got her this pickled sausage. I don't know if this is going to be good or not, but I guess she can tell us after she tastes it. For our dog, we got him these sweet potato chicken wraps. He loves these things. And we also got him a little squeaky toy. And then for our cat, we got him a little package of treats. And then I just got him some different wet foods. Oh man, I'm dropping stuff. But anyways, he loves wet food, so we just got him a few of those. You don't have to go crazy for your pets, unless you just want to, I guess. And with my family, like, we don't do anything crazy for the stockings. We just get really fun and cute things. So little snacks or just little things that you need in everyday life. But, you know, it's kind of nice to have somebody get that for you and just kind of think about just some of the little things that you could use every single day, or, you know, just every now and then when you need it. I love that about stockings, that you can add in little stuff like that. I hope that you all have a wonderful Christmas, and I will see you again in 2025. God bless each and every one of you, and I will see you next time. Bye. Shows me your wedding ring.